Hello, geometry folks. Today we're going to be talking about parallel and perpendicular lines when we are given ordered pairs. In this situation, we don't have a graph. So we have two ordered pairs for one line and two ordered pairs for another line. If you look here, we have the line passing through the points 2, -5, and 6, 2. And then we have the line passing through the points 4, -3, and 8, 4. Can we find out if the lines are parallel or perpendicular? And can we compare their slopes to find that out? And the answer is yes. We know the slope formula, and we know rise over run. So, in this particular example, we're going to do the slope formula. We're going to revisit that. M for slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Just going to write that back up there so we remember it. And we're going to calculate two slopes, one for the first line and one for the second line. And we're going to label our x1, y1, x2, y2. And so we'll say line, we'll just call this line 1. y2 is 2 minus y1 is -5. x2 is 6 minus x1, which is 2. And again, here's where some of you may choose to go straight to the Desmos calculator. Totally fine. 2 minus -5 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. So the slope for line 1 is 7 over 4, or 7/4. Now if we do line 2 slope, we can label the same way, x1, y1, x2, y2, which not so good there. And when we do the slope, we're going to have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 4 minus -3 is 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. And these two lines have the same slope. So yes, they are parallel. Now here we are with two more exactly like that, two more lines. So let's go through here and label x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm going to do that for both lines right here at the beginning. So for line 1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. 2 minus -3 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. And I'm just calling these line 1 and line 2 because they don't really have a name, just to keep them separate. So if we do the second line, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. And we're going to get positive 4 over 10. And if I reduce that fraction, that is 2 over 5. Now you have to be really careful here because we have 5 over 2 and 2 over 5. Those are, and I'm going to write this here, those are reciprocals. But that is not enough to have perpendicular lines. We have to have negative reciprocals, and we don't have that. So they are not perpendicular, and I'm going to use the sign for perpendicular since I am running out of space. They're clearly not parallel either because their slopes are not exactly the same.